I'm reminded of an old Jerry Reed song. She got the gold mine, I got the shaft. Surely you heard it. I guess it was along about 63. When eating, my cooking got the better of me, so I asked this little girl I was going with to be my wife. She said she would, so I said I do, but I said I wouldn't if I'd have just knew. I saying I do was going to screw up all of my life. That's precisely the sentiment we've got going here. Hey, here's the pork wagon. This damn Dodge pickup. What did we start about 6 this morning? 6:30. Just gonna add real quick. Add an amp, little sub, and a box I had laying around. Cause the stock system sounds like shit in this truck. Figured I'd be done by dark. Well, it's well past dark, and I ain't done. No, not done. Nope, not done. Maybe I'll be done by dark tomorrow. Maybe that's what I meant. Why do I do this to myself?